coughing? But why? So you have a dry, tickly cough, but no one knows why. Please take a look at your medication list. This happens in people with high blood pressure, and doctors put them on the first line of medication, which they should, and it's called an ACE inhibitor. It ends with the last four letters being PRIL, P-R-I-L. And if you have a dry cough that's persisting for 3 months, 6 months, and no one knows why, it could be your medication. Basically, you need to remove that from your medication list. Your cough should resolve in 2-3 days, and just don't get rid of it. You need to replace it with another medication called an ARB. So please, if you're coughing and you don't have any type of infection and no one knows why, take a look at your medication list.